Hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. I know that I am. So this is video three of three, I'm gonna say, right? Three of three. These were purchases that I made from Aliexpress. I've already have two videos that you guys can go and check out. One of them is for ephemera and the other one is for paper packs. Let's go ahead and open these babies up and see what we've got going on over here. Let's see what's in this pack here. Another pack. Okay. Let's see. Another, oh, dies. Ooh, I'm gonna have to probably come back, you guys, and do this one over. And they sent me, oh, a little baggie as a gift. That's cute, with little moons on it. That's super pretty. I love orange too. Orange is a very positive color. So I got some of these cupcakes, you guys. I'm gonna have to paper piece these and bring this back to you guys. I got the hot air balloon, you guys. So I think I'm gonna probably share this video, pause this video, and then cut some of these out so that I can show you guys at the end what they all look like cut out and hopefully assembled. But I got some of these really cute like gingerbread houses, gingerbread people, cups with like marshmallows and stuff. I thought this would be super cute for like Christmas and just other things. And plus you can use the different parts for other stuff. You don't have to necessarily use them together. I got some mushrooms, you guys, because you know I love me some mushrooms. So I got a few of the mushroom houses. And again, I'm going to go ahead, oh, this is really pretty, and cut these out and show you guys what they look like. So I will be back with that part of it, but let's open up the other bag just in case and let's see what's in the other bag. Okay, that's that one. Oh, okay. So these are more, I found these on Amazon. Now I have bought these on Amazon a while ago, and I found these on AliExpress, so I thought that maybe they were different, but they're the same. So let's go ahead and review these really quickly. If you guys saw, I had these are the flower ones that I bought. I don't know if I shared this with you guys before. The packaging is different for sure. And these bring, I think, like 40 per pack. I don't know how many. Oh, this one brings 42. So they each bring 40 per pack. And I'm not going to open it. Oh, I can open it from the bottom. Because I clipped them up. So I don't like to break the packaging. I clipped them up. But these are not stickers, you guys. These are like, you got to use double-sided tape. Or you got to use some kind of glue. Or you got to use, you can put them in resin and stuff like that. Like, that's where I got them. And aren't these pretty? They look so realistic. I absolutely love it. And I'm hoping that my lighting is working in my favor and not against me. Okay, so we have like roses, like tulips. I mean, these are all tulips, I think. These are all just tulips of different colors. These are so pretty. And the other ones. These are so pretty, and again, they look so realistic. I think you get like 2 of each as well. So you get 20 designs, and you get 2 of each design. Super pretty. And these are gonna get clipped up. I don't think I have these, but I gotta check. So I might have not seen what was really, you know, in each one. I might have purchased the same exact thing from Amazon. But these were $1.11, you guys. $1.11 per pack. I remember that clearly because I was like, oh my god, that's so cheap. It's so inexpensive. And we got some different ones here. Yeah, these are not like the ones that I got. Like I have yellow ones here, but these are not. Yeah, these are different. All right, nice. And these are the tulips that I got. They're different than the tulips that came in this pack, so I get a little variety. My goodness, you guys, there's a lot to go through in these videos. I see. So we have these types of flowers. Isn't that pretty? I love the fact that they blend in because they're see-through, so you can put them on anything and it just looks fabulous. These are great for journaling, for adding them in like your junk journals, for creating ephemeras with them. This one, somebody stole the flower. Let's throw that over there. Somebody took the flower. But there's all different kinds, you guys. Like you guys can see, all different pretty kinds. Some of these are really long. Oh, they are stickers. What? Wait a minute. Oh no. What? They are stickers, but how the hell am I going to peel that off? Oh my goodness. Oh, they are stickers, you guys. Oh my god, I've been misinforming you this whole time. They are stickers. I didn't even know. I'm here gluing this stuff everywhere. I don't have to glue it anymore. All right. See, if it wouldn't have been because this one got messed up and it was sticky, I would have never known. I guess the plastic got messed up. I'm gonna just glue this one here on the side of my desk for now. A little flower there. I glued it to the corner of my desk because it was half of the paper was gone. But oh, that's so cool. So these are stickers, you guys. These are stickers. Oh wow, that just made them even better. That just what? That made it even a better buy. It's an even better buy now. See some of these. The plastic is lifting from the back, so I don't want it messing up my other stuff. So I'm just gonna take those out, and I'm gonna put them on something. I don't know what. Let me put them on my order book. See, you can stick them on, and it blends in perfectly. That's so awesome. That's so awesome. You gotta be real careful now that I know that there's a sticky on them. I was just tossing them in there. And I might just move these to like my little slips that I have, like the little pouches that we store stamps and stuff. I'm probably just gonna put all these flowers in there. Sometimes the fun is to search, right? Going through the stuff. Sometimes that's part of the fun too, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my goodness. So I have some other stuff coming still. Should be arriving today. I know it's out for delivery, so it's just a matter of it getting here. But I think it's probably going to be a smaller package because I think these were the heavier stuff so that I got first. So it's probably going to be a smaller package. Let's see. And then these are like more vintagey looking flowers, I think. See, they just tossed them in there. Like, what is this? They took a picture of the tape and That's the tape that they use to hold the flower down. So these have like little tapes on. Oh no, I think that's how they're supposed to look like. Because it's supposed to look like you taped it onto your paper. Okay, okay, okay. Come in, don't be an ass. Okay. All right, these are really, really pretty as well. I mean, honestly, you guys, these are beautiful. They're all beautiful. All flowers in nature are beautiful. And these are basically picture perfect replicas of these flowers, you guys. Like, there's just so many. There's so many. And I have a few more packs. So this video is already getting long. And I've already done 3 other ones. My throat is literally telling me, like, you need a break. So, it's already 12:31 too. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to just rush through this real quick. Hopefully, if you guys do want a really detailed video, I mean, I can do another detailed video of these, of all the ones that I have. That way you guys can see what each of them bring. And I can kind of give you a comparison between the packs. But these are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. I definitely didn't have any purple flowers. These are really pretty. I know a lot of people love purple. And then this one has the same thing with the little sticker, the little tape on it. And these are like lavenderish looking flowers as well. So it's super pretty. I love it, love it, love it. I gotta get myself a little clip so I can clip these on to my little rack that I got going on over here. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna pause the video. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another haul video. Like not a haul video. I'm gonna do a video where I share these. I'm gonna cut these out and share these. Probably, you know, by the weekend or something. But you take these out of the bag real quick so you can see how big they are. I mean, this is my hand. So pretty large. Oh, well, there goes the packaging for that. This is the other one. It's got like little windows. I thought it was super cute to make like my little fairy houses. And again, since I'm working with like different stuff, like different resin designs and stuff like that, I think these would look super cute with like my little fairy village. And yeah, this is another little fairy house. They're super cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. And I also made molds of, I made my own design for mushrooms. So I think this is going to pair up really nicely with some of those resin molds, resin pieces that I made of mushroom designs. And then these are the little cups. So again, really nice size. Look at that cup, you guys. That's a really nice size cup. Look at the little face. Super cute. And this one as well. It's like a cookie, big old cookie. Then we have a little rabbit in there as well. I can use that for like a cloud. I can use that in many different ways, not just as the icing on the cake, if you will. This one is more Easter themed, but we can use all the other pieces in the meanwhile. And oh my goodness, look at this one. I cannot wait to test this out. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh my goodness, you guys. So this is going to be it for this haul. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the links to the stores that I got these things from down below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I cannot wait to get crafting with some of these. So you're definitely going to see some projects and some shares coming up. And have a good one, you guys. I will catch you all on the next one. Bye. My dirty hands. Oh, no.